So you just upgraded to Windows 11 and you go to your camera app or you go to your Zoom call and you realize suddenly your camera is not working. No need to panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your camera that is not working for whatever reason on Windows 11, and we'll get you back up and running in a few simple clicks. So let me get right to it. Alright, first up, you need to check whether your camera is working on your native app. So you just type in camera, turn it on. There's the problem. You can't find your camera. Make sure it isn't blocked by any antivirus, blah, blah, blah. So one thing to note here is to go to Device Manager and go to Cameras and make sure your camera, whichever name it may be, in my case it's USB 2 UVC webcam, I'm going to enable it. If there is a yellow triangle or something like that, you would right click, uninstall, and press uninstall, and then restart your system. To avoid restarting and you want to test it out right now, right click, scan for hardware changes, and your camera should come back. Now if you test it, voila, it's working. The other problem you might have with camera not working is that some app might be using it in the background, so it doesn't allow access to other apps. So for example, in my case, if I just demo it by showing a camera here. So now you can see OBS is using my camera. If I try to open camera right now, you can see it's stuck in a loop, just get a black screen. All you have to do is see Windows even warns you. It looks like another app is using your camera already. You can do the same thing, go to Device Manager and right click and uninstall, but it won't be a permanent fix. The best way to do it is to find out what's using your camera. So you just go to here. Once you're at this page, you should be able to disable camera for the apps that you don't need. For example, I don't want Feedback Hub to have camera access, neither HP Smart. Microsoft Photos is okay. Don't want it for Xbox Store. And I also don't want it for OBS. You can currently see that we're using Stream Elements SE Live, which is OBS. It's currently using the camera. To fix it, I go to the app, I delete the source, and boom. Now it says last access whatever time. So now we have access to our camera back again. There you go. Last thing, you can go to your manufacturer's website. So if, say, for example, you're using a laptop, you go to your laptop's manufacturer website. So I'd go to Asus FX506HM, and then I'll go to the support page and look for any Windows 11 driver. So just select the model, select the OS, and then look for the drivers. Other thing you can do, if you're using a USB webcam, you can go straight to the website. For example, you have a Logitech Brio 4K webcam, for example. We'll go to their website. Once you're at the support page, there you go, that's our support page. Now you can download whatever software you need. So again, for this particular webcam, it's natively integrated with Windows 11, so there are no downloads. But if you go different OS, Windows 10, you can see there is an application here called Logitech Capture. You can download that. That will help you fix the camera not working. Once you download the file, of course, you will have to install it. It's a simple 2-3 click software. I don't have this webcam, so I'm not going to do that, but this is just an example of what you can do. To verify that your webcam is actually functioning properly, lastly, you'd go here and make sure there is no yellow triangle here. If there is a yellow triangle, you right click, uninstall, restart your system, see if that fixes it. Other thing you can do is right click, update driver, let me pick, and then pick this USB video device and hit next. That'll fix the webcam as well. And there you have it, guys. The webcam is working. It's all good to go, and hopefully this video helps you out. Anyway, guys, smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell just down there. Also, check out my other videos right up here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.